Jumping jacks. This exercise light on your feet, arms up high. This wakes up your heart and kickstarts the burn. More fat burn coming up. Butt kicks 30 seconds. Now, butt kicks. Keep your core tight, heels to glutes. It's cardio time. Skater jumps 30 seconds. Side to side skater jumps. This targets your legs and gets that heart rate up. Slow it down. Stand tall, deep breath in and out. Your body is grateful. Grab water, but stay on your feet. You're halfway through. Breathe deeply and stay with me. Alternating hooks 30 seconds. Twist your waist. Keep your arms sharp, hook side to side. Time to box it out. Side hops 30 seconds. Quick and light side hops. Push off the floor and control your landings. Single hip rotation 30 seconds. Balance and twist single hip rotation. Tighten your abs, move with control. Keep your rhythm, you're doing amazing. Last rest before the final push. Inhale through the nose, exhale slow. Jump squats, 30 seconds. Let's go explosive jump squats. Land soft, stay low. Burn those legs, no quit now.